Welcome to Navya's world. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the hoopoe bird. With its striking crest and long beak, the hoopoe is truly one of nature's wonders. The hoopoe can be found across Europe, Asia, and Africa, thriving in a variety of habitats from savannas to orchards. Its long, curved beak is perfect for digging into the ground to find insects, larvae, and even small reptiles. One of the most distinctive features of the hoopoe is its beautiful crest, which it can raise and lower at will. When in flight, the hoopoe displays its unique black and white wing patterns, making it easy to identify. Not only is it visually striking, but the hoopoe also has a unique call, a soft, hoo-hoo-hoo sound that can be heard across its territory. This amazing bird symbolizes beauty and resilience in the natural world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the hoopoe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible wildlife videos.